Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to make an emergency call now. Unlock the iPad and open FaceTime. This works over Wi-Fi or cellular. Once FaceTime loads, search for the local emergency number or tap an emergency contact. Make sure Share My Location is on so responders can find you. If you use an iPhone with cellular calls enabled, your iPad can place a regular call through that phone, so check Settings FaceTime and Settings Cellular for linked devices before dialing. Tap the FaceTime audio button to call, don't delay. Once connected, switch to speaker so you can keep your hands free and speak clearly. Give address, landmarks, and specific floor or apartment info. If the call sounds unstable, open Messages and share your live location. Press the contact, tap info, then Share My Location. Keep the iPad upright for better microphone pickup, and, if available, enable Do Not Disturb for notifications to avoid interruptions during the emergency call. When responders say it's okay, end the call and then notify your emergency contacts via messages with your status and location. Afterward, update your medical ID with any new info so future responders have accurate data. If the call won't connect, don't panic. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or enable Wi-Fi calling in settings if supported. Restart the iPad as a quick reset. If voice fails entirely, immediately send your live location in Messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.